Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove all friends on Roblox at once. So first of all, what you need to do, click the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna see on the left column profile messages friends. Go ahead and press friends. Okay, and you're gonna see your request. Just go ahead and press friends, the first option on the left, and then go ahead and press the friends or the people that you want to delete, right? Let's say for example you want to remove that person, right? So what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click their name and of course hit unfriend that person. Okay, so if you want to delete all your friends and Roblox at once, unfortunately for now it is not going to be possible, and I've seen other videos showing how to do it without showing the actual steps, and hopefully this will help you stop wasting your time, as there is no way of doing that legally. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.